Hey everyone. I know this like came out of the blue. But it's. I mean, I should have told you guys earlier. I mean, it's you know, it happens to the best of us. And we're planning natural disaster survival. And I mean, I'm excited. I'm pretty happy. I just think that let me do it. I just think that yeah. All right. Next. I'm lucky that I have this experience. I'm just excited, you know. So, oh my god, where's this? It's happening.